let me introduce one item, long linear light. This is called 31122K, and it is a classical long linear light. You see, the light is very nice. I off it. And turn on. So you cannot see the inside LED. It looks very nice. The light is even and softable. And normally this light is used for that is the middle of the sales panel, or the side panel. That is the side panel. Just like this, and its length is the white. This white here is 11.5 mm, and the length is the height is 9.5. So when you make a channel, you need to make the channel size should be 10 by 10 mm, and it is a classical long linear light, and the design is the light on this light and the wire is separate. So in the future, if this one broken, you just take it away from the panel and change it the other one, and then connect it again. You don't need to change the wire. Because the wire may be hide inside the panel, inside the wood panel, or in the back side of the wood panel. So it's very hard to change again. So this design is white, is separate. The wire and the light is separate. Just connect here to install again. So we see like this. And if it's broken, just take it away. So this item is very easy to change, and it is a classical items for cabinet and shelf lighting.